Hey there! Our topic for today is about electromagnetism. So we're going to tackle about the generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical energy from power plants, particularly in nuclear power plant. Our objectives for today is to explain how electrical energy is generated, transmitted, and distributed. Electrical energy is produced through various sources. Electricity is vital to mankind, especially in this modern age. It powers homes, schools, hospitals, industries, and technology. With electricity, people can work efficiently, connect instantly, and enjoy comfort and safety in daily lives. So, do you ever imagine how electricity reaches you from where it came from? To provide electrical energy, it consists of three processes: generation, transmission, and distribution.
How does electricity produced? Electricity must be generated from a source, the power plant. There are different types of power plants, depending on the source of energy that is used to generate electricity. But today, we're going to tackle about nuclear power plant. Generation of electrical energy may come from different sources, like heat, running water, wind, heat from the sun, burning of fossil fuels, and many more.
But since our topic is a nuclear power plant, it is from a heat source. To understand more about how nuclear power plant generate electrical energy, let's go deeper to our lesson. What is nuclear power plant? A nuclear power plant, also known as a nuclear power station, nuclear generating station, or atomic power station, is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. How does nuclear power plant works? A nuclear power plant works to a large extent like a conventional thermal power plant. Water is converted into steam, which derives a turbine connected to a generator. This generator converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. The only difference is that the heat which converts water into steam is produced by nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is where nuclear reaction where heavy atomic nucleus splits into two or more smaller nuclei, releasing a substantial amount of energy in the process.
In each fission, 2 or 3 neutrons are released. They in turn cause new fission and thus create a chain reaction. In a nuclear reactor, it is important that this chain reaction is controlled. After new fission, one released neutron should cause a new fission. How does electricity is transmitted? When the electricity is generated, it goes to a step-up transformer. It increases its voltage levels up to 400,000 volts that will make it sure it would cover a large distance while minimizing the electricity loss. The electricity is then transferred to high-voltage transmission lines that will carry the electricity until it gets to a substation. In the substation, the electricity will go into a step-down transformer that will decrease its voltage up to 40,000 volts, that will make it suitable for electricity distribution. Transformers are used to change AC voltage levels. Examples are step-up or step-down transformers that will increase or decrease the voltage levels. How does electricity is distributed? Electricity distribution involves delivering power from transmission lines to consumers through substations, primary and secondary lines, and distribution transformers. Key components include transformers, switchgear, protective devices, and conductors. Distribution system can be radial, loop, or network types, each with varying reliability and cost. So, did you understand our topic for today? If yes, that's great! So, based on our objectives, did we explain the generation, transmission, and distribution of electrical energy? Yes, we did. So, did you learn something? That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something. Bye!